Is a very big topic for a lot of people because there have been cases of people wanting to use this advanced feature but don't know an easy way to use it. I'm going to simplify this enough for you, and I hope you do understand at the end of the day. And if you don't understand, as usual, go over the video again and again and again and take notes as I used to do. I have a long note where I write down certain things step by step, including editing my videos in After Effects. I would write the step by step by step until I finally get it and I'm used to it. Alright, so do that and it's going to help you in the long run. Let's see more about advanced components. Advanced components in Figma allow you to create dynamic interactive design elements that can respond to user input or data changes. With advanced components, you can create more complex and sophisticated designs that can adapt to different scenarios or use cases. Alright, let's go straight into it. We have the different features and capabilities of advanced components in Figma, which includes variants with interactions, state management, data binding, conditional logic. We also have component sets, which are advanced components, can be which are organized into sets and which represent a collection of related components. Component sets allow you to create reusable design systems that can be shared across multiple projects or design teams. Advanced components in Figma are a powerful tool for creating complex and interactive designs. I want to show you more practical about this, so let's dive straight into practicals. So we have this, and I'm sure by now you should know how to create variants and also to create components. Now, also you need to learn how to create um, component sets, which is very easy. All you have to do is get out your icons. So I'm just going to get all of these icons and let's do it afresh. So I'm going to get the icons and right click on them, detach instance, and then I'll get rid of this one. We don't need it anymore. Now, to create a component set for these icons, because they are not buttons or text, we are going to go up here, click on the drop down at the component um, property upward, and click on create component set. Now we've done that, and I'm going to title it icons. Alright, and I'm going to title this buttons. Alright, cool. So we have these two, right? So we can proceed with what we're doing. Right, next step is to actually get one of these icons to be inside all of this. So all you need to do that is basically to select this icon, one of it, hold alt and move it out. All right, use alt, please don't move it out, just hold alt and move it out, or go to the asset prop panel and you're going to see it here. You can drag it out and use, let's use that one. So with this one, I will cut it, control X, control X, X for X rail, X for X rail, right? X rail. I'll cut it and I would come here, hold control on the first text and press control V to paste. Now we've pasted it, it's there, but we need to change the color, so we change the color to white. Now we have it up there, very sweet. Let's continue the same process for the rest of them. Hold control, click left click on the buy now and press control V and you paste it there. Do the same for the other two, control V, and you're going to change it to white. All right, and then control V for this and we'll change it to white as well. And with that, we have all of it inside of the buttons. But now we've created our buttons this way, we need to create a dynamic button where we can be able to turn this off and on without having to stress ourselves so much. All right, so how do we achieve this? I'm going to close out all of these other ones. How do we achieve this? The first step is to create a text property advanced component in the property channel, and what you can do is to select all of the text. no matter the number, be it 20, 30, 100, select all of them. So all I'm going to do is hold Control, click on the first buy now, hold Shift, click on the next one, third one, and the last one. Holding Shift is so that you can select multiple text, all right, or objects or elements. And this is very simple. We do this in Microsoft Word, all right. So it's just for you to be able to select multiple things, because if you click on one and you try to click on the next one, not only work, and even though you hold Control and you try to click on the next one, it won't work. It will only select that one. So you have to hold Control and Shift and keep your hands on them till you're done with all of them. All right, once we have this, go to the property channel and you're going to see content, and in this content you're going to click on the create text property. But before you do that, this is the buy now, so it lets you know that this is what you've selected. All right, click on that create text property next to content and this screen will pop up. All right, leave it as text, and you can even change the text. So we can change the text to button and click on create property. Once you do that, the buy now will change to button. So that means that has been created. So we have our text created, and if you select this, you're going to see the text over here. Now the next thing you want to do is to do the same for the button. So select the button, double click, select it, hold Shift. Now you're only going to hold Shift, select the next one, the third one, and the last one. And with this, we're going to create a property channel for these icons as well. So all you need to do next is come to layer. You're going to see layer down there, click on create boolean property. All right, and it's going to show names. So what are the names of this? Are they show layers or icons? So they are icons. All right, and then leave it at true. Let it be true. Don't put it at false. There's false and there's true. Leave it at true, and then click on create property. All right, with that, you've created the icon property, and you can see it under the layer. And that is it, guys. You've created your first advanced property. All right, so we have this, and in order for you to use this, you can see this is in here, so it's a property of this. We can just delete this, grab one of these, hold Alt, or go into assets and just drag this out. All right, this is it, and then bring it into our frame. And this way we can be able to do anything of our choice with this button. So what do you want to do to it? Let's zoom into this. Let's zoom into this. So what do you want to do with this? I want to change the button into a text only. To change it to a text only, all I have to do is very simple. I just have to click on the icon toggle and turn it off, and it becomes a text only button. We can also turn it back on and turn it off, on and off, and you can also select the button and change the button to other icons, and you can see how it changes across all of it. So this is how you can create complex buttons, especially for the light mode and dark mode of whatever you'll be creating, and you're going to have a seamless result.